Good evening, ma'am. My name is Akshay. My roll number is 5437. My presentation topic is Jacobian and its properties. Abstract of my presentation is first Jacobian matrix, second Jacobian determinant, third properties of Jacobian, fourth application, fifth links and references of this topic. First, Jacobian matrix. The term Jacobian often represent both the Jacobian matrix and determinant. The Jacobian matrix of the vector function f is equals to f1 x1 x2 up to xn and f1 x1 x2 up to xn is the matrix of the derivative of f. Then Jacobian x1 x2 up xn equals to this curly f1 up to curly xn. Second, Jacobian determinant. The Jacobian determinant is the determinant of the Jacobian matrix. Jacobian determinant is also used to test functional dependence, linear and non-linear of a set of equation. If Jacobian determinant equals to 0, then equations are functionally dependent. Second, if Jacobian determinant greater than 0, the equations are functionally independent. Properties of Jacobian theorem. If u and v are function of u and v, where u and v are themselves function of x and y, we shall have curly u v upon curly x y equals to curly u v upon curly u v, curly u v divided by curly x y. Proof of this theorem is u equals to u be the function of x and y and v also the function of x and y. Differentiate with respect to x and y, we get curly u by curly u into में curly u by curly x plus curly u by curly v into में curly v by curly x. Then partial differentiate with respect to y equals to curly u upon curly u into में curly u into में curly upon curly y plus curly u upon curly v into में curly v upon curly y. Similarly, partially differentiate with respect to x equals to curly v upon curly u into में curly u upon curly x plus partial respect to v with respect to u and derivative with respect to v upon curly x. Now multiply both curly u v upon curly u v, curly u v upon curly x y, Jacobian matrix. We get curly u upon curly u into में curly u by curly x plus curly u upon curly y into में curly v upon curly x. curly u upon u into में curly u into upon में curly y plus curly u upon curly v into में curly y curly v upon curly y, curly v upon curly u into में curly u upon curly x plus curly v upon curly v into में curly v upon curly y. We get curly u v upon curly xy. It is also said Jacobian. We will represent it Jacobian. Jacobian of curly u v divided by curly xy equals to this: curly u upon curly x into में curly u upon curly y, curly v upon curly x, curly y by curly v by curly y. Second theorem: if J is the Jacobian of u v with respect to x y and J dash is the Jacobian of x y with respect to u v, then J into J dash equals to 1. Let u equals to u with a function of x y and v equals to v with a function of x y. Differentiating, we get partial differentiate with respect to u and partial differentiate with respect to v. Then curly u by curly u equals to 1. Curly u upon curly x into में curly x by curly u plus curly u upon curly y into में curly y by curly u. Then partial differentiation with respect to v, we get 0 equals to curly u by curly x into में curly x by curly v plus curly u by curly y into में curly y by curly v. Similarly, we partial differentiate with respect to x and y for v with a function of x and y. We get curly v upon curly u equals to 0 and curly v upon curly v we get 1. So we say j into j dash equals to curly u v into my curly x y equals to Jacobian matrix. In this, curly u by curly x, curly u by curly y, curly v by curly x into में curly v by curly y, curly x by curly u into में curly x by curly y v, curly y by curly u into में curly y by curly v. Determinant of this matrix, we get curly u by curly x into में curly x by curly u plus curly u by curly y into में curly y by curly u, curly u by curly x into में curly x by curly v plus curly u by curly y into में curly y by curly v. curly v upon curly x into में curly x by curly u plus curly v by curly y into में curly y by curly u, curly v by curly x into में curly x by curly v plus curly v by curly y into में curly y by curly v. Using this equation, curly v by curly u equals to 0 and curly v by curly v equals to 1 and curly u by curly v equals to 0 and curly u by curly u equals to 1. We get an identity matrix equals to 1. Hence we prove that j into j dash equals to 1. Application of Jacobian is, it is used to solve system of differential equation at an equilibrium point or approximate solution near an equilibrium point. Its application include determining the stability of the disease-free equilibrium in disease modeling. Reference of this topic is from R.G. Bartley and S.C. Malik and Sveta Arora. And links of Jacobian topic is this. Thank you, ma'am.